This is Loughinch Cemetery outside Ballynahinch. It opened in November 1989, and amongst the burials here are either side of me are the Spence plots, and they sadly 4 members of the Spence family were involved in an accident at a slurry pit on their family farm outside Hillsborough, and on the 15th of September. Commemorated here then is Noel Graham. He was the owner of the farm. He was born in 1953, and his son Nevin, born in 1990. They died along with another son, Graham, and he's buried on the neighbouring grave. Nevin Spence is well known, very promising young rugby player. At the time of his death, he was playing for Ulster, and he had a bright future ahead of him. Sadly, he died 15th September 2012, aged only 22. There's a stand at Ravenhill where Ulster play their rugby matches named in his honour, the Nevin Spence stand. So Nevin and his father Noel are buried here, but you can see it says called home on 15th September 2012 with their beloved son and brother Noel, and he was born in 1981 and he passed away on the same date, numbered 15th of September 2012. And Graham is actually buried on this neighbouring grave here, right beside his brother and his father. And he's commemorated as a loving husband of Andrea, devoted father of Nathan and Georgia. And he was aged 30 years when he died in the dreadful occurrences at the family farm in the Slurry tank in the middle of September 2012. A sister, Emma, she was also involved, but thankfully she survived, and she is now a well-known artist, and so she was fortunate to survive the dreadful occurrence at the family farm outside Hillsborough on 15th of September 2012. So again, the final resting place in Loughinch Cemetery outside Ballynahinch of 3 members of the Spence family.